My name is Musuni Letura from Masai Mara, Kenya. Elephants are natural-born swimmers. They can swim completely submerged underwater, using their trunks to breathe. Because of this built-in snorkel, elephants can swim for hours without stopping. 78 elephants died due to drought few months ago in Kenya, according to Kenya Wildlife Service reports that were released today. We all have a responsibility to stop this to happen again by building boreholes inside national parks, game reserves, and conservancies. Thank you very much.